Uncle Haney, it's me, Bilana. You found me. You always found me. I am at peace now. You should rest now. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you.
Who will come this late? Okay, I am coming. I think I saw a dream.
Hello, Heinrich. It's midnight, I know. I'm sorry for coming. But someone left this tape for me. Should we hear it?
What? A tape?
I was sleeping and I just heard some knocks. When I went to open the door, I saw someone left me this, with my name and your name on it. So I knew we must hear it together. That's why I arrived, even though it's very late now. Let's play the cassette. I'm sure it's Bilana.
Let's hear it.
This is me, Bilana. I have been waiting so long to tell you this. Thanks to you, we are all at peace now. Kai, you are a man of justice. Without your efforts, the case would never been solved. As for you, Uncle Heinrich, I missed you so much. My father always trusted you. No one defended him like you did. You always treated me like your own daughter. My father told me when you hid from me while we played together that even if I couldn't find you, you'll always find me. 48 years since everything had collapsed, yet you found me. I know you still wonder what happened then. For that, I'll tell you everything. I talked to Prince Alexander to convince the Kaiser to release my father from jail, as that was a very wrong thing to do of the Kaiser. A car came to our home requesting me to go to the Kaiser's castle. I felt so happy as I thought my father was released. As soon as I sat in the car, I saw Prince Karl's guard. I already knew something was wrong, and I realized they will kill me. Then they took me to our private home, and there I saw the masked knight leader and fortunately Prince Karl too, who came to make sure I was dead. They stabbed me to death. They told my father where I was held. He tried to come so fast, but when he arrived, he saw me dead. They killed him because Prince Karl knew nothing will break my father except my death. Later then, they went to the castle and killed Prince Alexander and lastly, the Kaiser. This was the vision I kept seeing, but no one can stop a falling destiny. Now you have all the evidence in your hands, the pictures, the documents, the Ruby Queen ring, and Prince Karl's knife, and my hair, which also can be found in Prince Karl's coat. After 1988, you must submit it to the courts because they will approve DNA testing as a result in crimes. After I died, I experienced something I can't explain, supernatural, like my soul became a watcher. I was seeing everything. I even saw how they killed us all. And then I saw the pain you sank in, Uncle Haim. I couldn't appear to you or help you. But we can't change the past, so I don't want you to beat yourself over this anymore. You have done more than enough. There is a bigger morale in the story than just a fallen kingdom or a dead past. I want people to see a father's love and a daughter's care, and the friendship you had with my father, Uncle Haim. My father was always loyal to the Kaiser, and he died defending the kingdom. Kai, and you, Uncle Haim, you protected the truth. You both are forever our guardian angels. Lastly, I have one last fact and a request to say. First, try to understand this math. In 1910, Prince Carl secretly got married. In 1911, his daughter was born. In 1918, she was 7 years old. When the kingdom fell down, she got married in 1940. In the 1st of May in 1941, she had her only child, a boy. His father died in a car accident before even the boy is born. His mother died later of sickness, and she asked his father's sister to take care of him. She asked them to never mention about the past so he can be safe. The boy is alive today, and he's a 25 years old man, and his name is Kai Alfred Johan, the grandson of Prince Carl. Isn't that your story, Kai? You always wonder why your family don't tell you much about your parents. But no one was able to bring that justice except you, because you're a good man, Kai. And as for my request, Uncle Haim, I want you to write on my tombstone and ours, here rest people who loved each other and died defending one another.
What? She was talking about me? That boy is me? I'm Prince Carl's grandchild. Wow, because I kept wondering why I could only see her and why she brought that case for me from all the people. So the past done wrong and the present must correct it. It's something like this. I don't know what to say, because what my grandfather did was so wrong. I don't approve of it. I don't know what to think anymore.
Kai, I know you feel bad, but hear me too. People's deeds don't affect us. We are only responsible for what we do. You have done right. For that you should sleep with peace in your heart. Now I will feel peace too.
By now you may wonder, who is B'Elanna and why she deserved that justice. The story is not about us. It's about betrayal that kill every beautiful little thing. And trust is a gift. Without it, nothing can be built. And if I can say this lastly, love one another and live by your own beliefs and principle, and die defending them no matter what the cost. Whatever we do will always come back to us. Why our beliefs matters? Because they define who we are. Who is Bilana? I will leave that for you to decide.